Now I'm going to strengthening the poles of the drill press. First, I need to block this hole because I need to fill the metal resin compound with a metal tube. Insert it, so this end need to be blocked. Now this plastic sheet as an shielding, assemble and glue with the silicon rubber, silicon sealant, and for this hollow steel pumping tube, I will insert into this main post, and there is a gap on the side around 4 millimeter, 3 or 4 millimeter, and on the gap they will be filled with the resin compound, steel filled resin compound, and these locating rings are made up, and you put in there to make this inner tube center position, as well as this end cap. They are cut from a piece of polypropylene sheet. This sheet is from a bottle, a detergent bottle, a round bottle. This something we run. This one I make it flat and cut it, and this end cap, when pushing it into the liquid, it will force put on here, so this must be strong enough. I make the edge taper so it will not go into it, and also inside there is filled with the silicon, that kind of silicon sealant, and I'm going to fill the compound and start to pour into the gap area. I pour the liquid into the gap, but this time I have not enough to fill it, all the portion, and something go to here, so I need to do the next process again. It's quite a messy substance and annoying, and it must be need to settle or to finish all the things in a limit of times, so it's quite a hurry. And also you must distinguish which bottle is a accelerator. Maybe in these times I added too much accelerator on it, so it settles quite fast. So next time maybe add small equal amount less of accelerator into the resin, and that may be a better rate. The second powerings of the resin was done, and it's quite, the feeling is quite strong now, and a hint should be mentioned, and when doing this type of filling, and it's wise to do it once, not in 2 times. I do it in 2 times, so in the first time it fills almost half, and this was at the center position, and then it setting the gap here for the second filling, but the gap is so small. If I pound the resin in 1 times, I can push this rod sideways and then give a much more space for me to pound the resin. And the resin is very thick, and if the gap is small, it is very difficult to go deep into it, and also it will overflow, very messy. So do it 1 time. And also this type of resin is very messy, and once it was contact, it was spread on the some toolings before it hardened. You must be clean it right away, otherwise at the later times it will very difficult to remove them, or you use 1 times toolings. And under here is this very good. Anyway, it worked. And go back to this housing, and here I take out the core, and it is satisfactory. The gray area is the resin, and this core stick on the resin tiny, and it's difficult to be removed out, and I need to use this clamp to hold here, and turn it to take it out. And this also do it correctly. This can be fit on it very well. You can see, and when it pull out at this position, there is some wobbling. When you go deeper and go to here, it already tightened, no wobbling. The end, the shaft, this spindle shaft end already engaged into the new made resin housing, and it is further go into it is very tight.